All right, let's take a look at the work platform setup. All right, right now I've got it so that then we got some lights on. As you can see, you should be able to see this. I can see it. But yeah, I put my hand over. It's lit. Down below, you can probably see the red glow. Yeah, we're doing red underglow, of course. Okay, then we've got our bridge rectifier. That's what I'm clicked on to. And this cab light here is going to be just a little forward of the cab, and it's going to shine back into the cab. Then we've got the platform set up where the decoder is going to go, and we've got our motor connected to our PC board. So then we're going to use a DH126 Digitrax, and that will be pretty sweet. It'll sit right here. Wires will go here, and we'll send up to the top the white wire for the headlights. All the lights are going to be just on, off, all of them. And then we're going to do a beacon because we only got 2 functions. And then some constant lights. And we're going to put a capacitor on there too to give it a nice smooth lighting. And coming along nicely. Starting to look pretty good. Our fuel tank's looking pretty good. We're going to dress that up a little bit, but I did put in the piping for those air tanks. A little painting there, a little detail work. We'll get that fuel tank looking good. But it's going to get beat up while we're doing this electronics, so that's where we're at.